We are now studying production of amplitude modulated wave, and there is a schematic diagram for this. The first step, we get the message signal. Message signal from our source of information, like microphone is there, or camera is there, or a computer is there. This is having this shape, and this is the formula. This is the shape of the graph message. Then from another source we get carrier wave, which is a high frequency wave. This is a high frequency wave, carrier wave, this one, and its equation is amplitude frequency, A sin omega t. These two are mixed together. They are given to a single conductor, so they combine together. After combining, and they are also squared, because when we combine them, then we can say a shape like this, only like this. But when we square it, then it becomes like this shape. So this is a squared shape. There is a device for that. We call it square law device. So after combining, when they pass through square law device, then this is the outcome here. Okay. When they pass through square, when the square system is applied, then there are so many waves generated. Not only 3, but there are 7, 8 waves which are produced, but either they have a very high frequency or they have a very low frequency, and therefore we pass them through a band pass filter which is centered at omega c. When we have a filter which will allow the waves to pass, the signal to pass, this will allow a particular frequency. We can always make filters which will allow a particular frequency to pass through. This setting we keep at omega c, so that it will allow omega c plus minus omega of the message. But if the frequency is square of omega c, twice of omega c, these are very large frequencies, so it will not allow them to pass. They are filtered. If the frequency is very low, only frequency of message signal, this is very low, that is also blocked, that is also not allowed. So which frequency is allowed? Only which is a carrier wave frequency or plus minus omega m frequency, because we have seen that we need frequency range from omega c plus omega m to omega c minus omega m to pass through, because all our signals are within this range. So this filter we make like that, that it will not allow higher or lower frequencies, so those are blocked. And after that, when it passes through this, it contains only three type of waves, which are amplitude modulated wave, which we have seen in the previous lecture. Those 3 are now form AM wave, and that is this shape. So here this AM wave is this AM wave. Now this wave is given certain power. That means its amplitude is increased, because with so much of operation it loses power. So some power is given, amplifier, and when it has got sufficient power, it has got required frequency, it has got required phase, its message has been loaded, everything is done, now it is ready to go. Then we send it to the transmitting antenna, and from this antenna this goes in this shape for receiving at the other end. So this is production of AM wave, and these are the devices in that. Okay. So these waves, when these are propagated, these are received at the receiver end. Now what are the parts of that receiver? That we will see in the next lecture. So these are the basic things of the production, and this is, we start from here, end up here, and this is going through antenna or by cable. Thank you.